Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to keep chlorine levels up in your pool. First, always test your water regularly to understand its current chemistry. Aim for a free chlorine level between 1 and 3 parts per million for a healthy pool. Consistent testing helps you react quickly to changes, ensuring your water remains clean and safe for everyone to enjoy. Proper maintenance is key to a sparkling pool. Several factors can cause your pool's chlorine levels to drop. Sunlight, especially strong UV rays, is a major culprit, breaking down chlorine rapidly. A high number of swimmers also consumes more chlorine as it works to sanitize the water. Additionally, rain, leaves, and other organic debris introduce contaminants that demand more chlorine to neutralize, making consistent monitoring essential. To effectively maintain chlorine, consider using stabilized chlorine products, which contain cyanuric acid to protect against UV breakdown. For a more hands-off approach, a salt chlorine generator can produce a steady supply of chlorine. Don't forget to shock your pool regularly, especially after heavy use or rain, to quickly raise chlorine levels and eliminate stubborn contaminants, keeping your water pristine. Beyond just adding chlorine, maintaining overall water balance is crucial. Ensure your pH is between 4 and 7. 6 and alkalinity is between 80 and 120 parts per million for chlorine to work efficiently. Regularly cleaning your filter and running your pump for 8 to 12 hours daily improves circulation, distributing chlorine evenly and preventing dead spots. These practices support consistent, healthy chlorine levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.